Here's the truth about money that nobody ever told you. Earning more will not make you rich. I know that sounds wrong, but stay with me because this one idea can change your entire financial life. Most people believe the answer to their money problems is simple. Make more money, so they chase a raise, a promotion, a better job, and they get it. Their income goes up, but a year later they check their bank account and somehow they're just as broke as before. How is that possible? It's called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly keeps millions of people poor their whole lives. Here's how it works. You get a raise so you feel like you can finally afford a little more. A nicer car, a bigger apartment, nicer clothes, a few more subscriptions. Each one feels small, each one feels earned, but together they eat your entire raise. Your income went up, but your savings stayed at zero. This is the trap. The more you earn, the more you spend, and you never actually get ahead. You just get better furniture while you stay broke. Now, here's what rich people do differently. When their income grows, they keep their spending almost the same. That new money doesn't turn into a bigger lifestyle. It turns into investments. They widen the gap between what they earn and what they spend, and then they put that gap to work. Because that gap is the secret. That space between your income and your expenses is the only thing that ever makes you wealthy. Not your salary, not your job title, the gap. A person earning a normal income with a big gap will end up richer than someone earning double who spends it all. So how do you actually build that gap? It starts with one rule that changes everything. Pay yourself first. Most people do it backwards. They get paid, they spend on everything else, and they try to save whatever is left. But there's never anything left. Something always comes up. Flip it. The moment money hits your account, before you pay for anything, move a piece of it into savings or investments. Treat it like a bill you owe to your future self. Even 10% is enough to start. You won't even feel it after a few weeks, but over years, it becomes life-changing. And here's the part that surprises people. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Someone who saves a small amount consistently will beat someone who plans to save a lot someday. Someday never comes. The habit is everything. Let me show you why. When you invest that gap, your money starts earning money on its own. That's compound growth. The money you save today doesn't just sit there, it grows, and then the growth grows too. Give it enough time, and a small steady habit turns into real wealth without you working any harder. So let's make this simple. Stop trying to out-earn your spending. You can't. There's always a nicer thing to buy. Instead, protect the gap. Keep your lifestyle steady when your income rises. Pay yourself first every single time, and let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. Being rich was never about how much you make. Plenty of high earners are broke. It's about how much you keep and what you do with it. Master that, and money stops being something you chase and becomes something that works for you. If this made money feel a little clearer, follow along. Every week I break down the money lessons school never taught you in plain language, so you can actually use them. Your future self will thank you.